YouTubers! Today I'm going to show you this Poly VoiceStation 300 three-way conference phone. Please enjoy the video. Now I'm going to start off with these three-way communication speakers right here, which is just like any other conference phone. Now this big grill right here is actually the speakerphone speaker. Now there is this black thing right here. Now on some of these models there was a screen that would tell you all sorts of things, like, for example, how many minutes and hours you were talking to a person and whatnot. Now, these buttons right here are pretty simple. Now, the first one is a telephone calling button. This one right here is a redial button. This one is a special features button. So, for example, if you want to, like, have a three-way conference call with, like, three people, or two people including yourself, you can do that. Now, this here is actually a pause button. These are volume up and down buttons. This is a microphone off button. So, for example, if you want to mute people when you want to, you can do that. Now, there are these lights right here. This one is actually for the pause feature there. Now, these lights right here, this is actually for volume up and down. This light right here is for the microphone off button. Now, there is actually a dial pad here, which is pretty standard for its class. Now, under here, you will see some features. Now, under here, I should have explained this in the other video that I did. Now, there is a sticker here, and it says VoiceStation 300. The part number is 2201-17910-001. There are some things like the lines like, see user's guide for instructions. Caution, indoor use only. Use with supplied power module, which is that dongle thing that I made a video on, which is that thing right there. And it says the lines like, this device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. Number one, this device may not cause harmful interference, and number two, this device must accept any interference received, including that which may cause undesired operation. Patent pending in USA and other countries. Then there is another line saying like, this Class B digital apparatus, or something, I can't pronounce that word, complies with Canadian ICES 003. Then I think it just says the same thing in French and whatnot. Now, there is like this symbol here, which I have no idea what that is. It says T here, and then it has numbers and letters like A06, 5007201. There's like a VCI sticker here with a common era symbol there. There is another one of those TUV logos, or I don't know what that is. Now, it says your speakerphone, which this case being the VoiceStation 300. The rest of it is like Chinese. I don't know what that's even telling me. Now, it says your manufacturer equals Poly Incorporated. Now, on this side here, there is actually the serial number, which is 0M0A1345060, made in China. Ambit is actually this here, which the build date for this is November 20th of 2013. Contact ROHS information at poly.com. And there is like these really unusual, like, I should say, like, string arounds that actually go outside of the telephone. Under here is an Ethernet port, which is surprisingly similar to the Ethernet port that is on the dongle itself. Here's some feet here that actually make it sit down nicer. Let me put this down nicely. Should probably do that. And plus you do have the call button right here, the redial button there, the special features button, or conference three-way button, the pause button, the volume up and down buttons, the microphone off button, the dial pad right there, the three-way conference speakers right there, the speakerphone grill right here, the Ethernet port on the back, And also you do have the Poly logo the Poly logo right there with the red 6 triangles logo right there. That's it for now. Bye-bye.